Some people cannot afford a full solar system because it's so expensive. If that is you, this video is for you. In this video, we are going to be mentioning 7 solar products that is designed to solve a specific problem. So some company come out and notice that solar installation is so expensive, so they try to design some products to solve some kind of problem without needing a full solar system. Why needing a full solar system when you can just solve a particular problem like charging only your phone and other things? So this video, we are going to be talking about it right now. So now let's look at the solar product that won't allow you to break your budget or putting you stuck at looking at a full solar system that is too expensive. Number one, we are talking about the solar security light. This is needed whenever you need light outside of your house. So instead of you buying full solar system all at home, which costs millions of naira, so you just need to buy only a few solar security light outside your house. Many of you will have noticed solar rechargeable bulb, where you charge only your bulb and then you plug it in your house. This bring light. So this product is made so that you can have light at home anytime and anywhere. So now, who need a full solar system when you can just only have only a light that you can afford to do? Because you do not need to power everything before you can have light in your house. Number 3, solar standable fan. So when we are talking about solar standable fan, a lot of you will have seen this in market. This is one of the products which can solve a particular problem at home. So you do not need full solar system that costs million naira before you could get a 70,000 naira solar fan and receive a cool fresh air at home. Then this won't be the only problem you can solve. They have other type of solar products. Then we'll move to the next one, solar generator. We have already talked about this one. This one also is one of a specific problem being solved without needing a full solar system. You could have a solar generator and just put it like a stabilizer in your house. You use it to charge your phone and other things, because this product is really great and it's still affordable. There's some solar generator that costs over 100,000 naira and it does not need maintenance always like a solar installation. Why do you need a solar system, complete set of solar system worth millions, when you could buy only a solar pumping machine at home? Solar pumping machine is already go out very well and also cheap and affordable. You can buy this and pump your water continuously without needing millions to just pump your water at home. The solar CCTV camera. This one is also a great alternative for solar without needing a full solar system. You could get a solar CCTV camera without needing a full solar system. You can power your CCTV camera anytime as long as there's sun, it power heat. Then we move to the last one, which is the solar kit. A lot of people know solar kit. It do almost all multi-purpose work, like it can power a DC fan and also a DC light and a DC TV. This is already in the market. Why do you need a million naira to own a solar system when you can buy all this separately and it's so affordable? So if you are suffering from a heat problem, then you can get the solar fan. If you are suffering from light problem, you get the solar light. And if you also want to power your phone, the solar generator is there and the solar kit is also there to solve all these problems. So you need to choose when buying a renewable energy stuff. You will know that this is a great investment to try on. So if you learn anything from here, please like and subscribe when we talk about other solar energy products and how to buy it to avoid mistake. So thank you and see you in the next video.